guys, and welcome to day 4 of Mad March. I am back with Lucy. So this year we are going to be doing guessing sounds.
Yeah, essentially. Most of them are going to be animals. I assume all of them are going to be animals, but they're really obscure animals, supposedly. Yeah. So we'll see.
Alright, shall we get started?
Okay, so, sound number 1.
Oh, I know what that is.
I think I've heard it at the zoo.
Oh, I know what it is.
Okay, well, is that like a timeout that you got?
I think there's it's got one of those things, doesn't it?
Can I say?
Okay, yeah.
Okay,
I a frog?
No.
No? But it sounds like exactly what it is.
I reckon it's like a
monkey?
I don't want to say a warthog, but like possibly no, I swear we have one at the zoo. I've heard it at the Adelaide Zoo.
Oh, like the gibbons.
Okay, well, would you believe koala? I'll take that as a no.
So it's a koala, alright.
Yes.
What's that?
That was it.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay, so it's just screaming out.
Okay, this is great.
Okay, so it's gotta be a bird. I reckon that it might be a galah.
Wrong. Tasha, any?
Is it a bird?
No.
It's not a bird. Is it a monkey?
It has 4 legs. And it
4.
scamps along the ground.
Why does she get hints?
Okay, well, you both get hints.
Is it? Oh my god, I don't know what they're called, but they're like related to guinea pigs. Is it a rodent of some?
I'm not too sure on the...
Why don't you tell us and I'll let you know.
It is a fox.
A fox?
Yeah.
And again. It actually just sounds like a fart.
It does.
I just want to say platypus because I really love platypus.
I want to say a wombat.
Platypi?
Platypus.
Platypi?
No. Any more guesses?
It's an Australian animal.
It is an
So I'm
Australian.
just going to list every Australian
Is
animal.
it-
Dingo.
Like a cassowary?
No.
Emu.
No. It's a brush-tailed possum.
I have possums.
You have
But
possum in your
they're
area,
so
you should know.
cute. That sounds so aggressive.
Well, it's like an aggressive fart.
A wolf?
Yep.
She's not buzzing.
Buzz! A wolf.
Neither did you. Okay, next.
Well, at least you got 1 point. So it's
1-0.
like 1-0.
It's alright.
That's a huge margin. I don't know if I'm going to come back from this. All right. Keep it going. Keep it going. We got this. A lion. Buzz.
Buzz, yes.
Yeah, 1-0. Back in it.
Yes.
What's the movie quote from 10 Things I Hate About You? And I'm back in the game. I like that movie. Buzz. Raven.
No.
Buzz. Crow again.
Oh, it's...
That's the sound.
Oh, it's an owl?
Yeah. It's a barn owl, to be
A barn owl.
Pig. Buzz.
Pig?
You said it first.
I said buzz. So.
Okay.
Debatably, depending on how strict we are on the buzzer system.
I love pigs so much. Pigs used to be my favourite animal. A goose?
Okay, so it has to be an animal we know, as well he wouldn't have made the previous comment. Buzz, a donkey.
No.
Damn.
It's an elk.
An elk. Ooh.
Yeah, like a deer.
I feel like they were in the savannah. Didn't sound particularly
Like
rainforesty.
meerkats?
Ooh, that's a good guess.
No, it was...
I want an opportunity.
Just sure. Alright.
Okay, so it's not a meerkat. It's either like a monkey or a ferret. Or like a... Oh, I don't know enough obscure animals. Can you give me a clue about the environment it lives in?
It definitely would be savannah.
It's not like a zebra, is it?
You've had your shot. Is it a zebra?
It is not a zebra.
Damn it! What is it?
Do we give up? Okay. It was a cheetah. Cheetah calling.
That is not what I pictured.
No, it's definitely not. Crocodile.
No, crocodile.
Okay. I'm trying to, like, most of this competition is just me trying to judge Lockie's facial expression for how close Tasha's guess was. I don't think that it would be a pelican. I don't think it would be a pelican. Buzz, I just gotta guess a guess. I gotta guess in. Let's go with a listening water. Rhino. I know I already said it, but rhino.
Can I? Is that like a sea lion?
Oh, it's an elephant seal.
It's close enough.
Close.
Yeah.
Close.
We'll give a seal.
Where's the Tash?
What sort of animal makes that noise if it's not a bird?
They're definitely in the rainforest.
One of those flying squirrel things. Is it a reptile?
It's definitely a reptile.
Oh.
Does it have legs as a reptile?
Yes.
That took a lot longer.
Only through a certain time in its
Is it a frog? I got one. Alright, so we have no clue who's actually won this because
No.
we did not keep track of the scores.
So the person who won's name will like appear here.
Woo, go then!
Congratulations.
It definitely was not me. I was really bad at this game. But that's okay because last year I completely aced the reading thing.
Yeah, you did.
I
You
did.
were so much better last year than I was.
Thank you.
If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below if you got any of the animals because you probably did a lot better than I did.
/ me, mostly me. She actually got like 3 or 4.
Come back tomorrow because I will be filming with Lucky, who was our lovely assistant today. And yes, alright, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye! Bye!
Please cut that.